Good day, sir and ma'am. I'm Antonia Flores, 28 years old, single. I'm college level and I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money and to support my family.
Hello, Miss Antoinette. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Did you work abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Did you work as a domestic helper in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve?
3 members of the family including
How many children?
one only, ma'am.
Okay, how old?
3 years old.
Okay, so you know how to take care of young children.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly tell us how.
First, feed them, take a bath, then wash their clothes.
Okay. Can you sing children's song?
Yes, ma'am.
Please try.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Filipino food.
Okay, can you follow recipe book?
Yes, ma'am.
Describe your personal character.
I'm hardworking, loyal, friendly, and respectful.
How can you say that you will be a good domestic helper? Will you follow the rules and regulation of your employer?
Yes, I am. Follow the rules and regulation for the employer.
And will you promise to finish the 2 years contract?
Yes, I am.
Okay, thank you.